What's up guys, my name is Joopvdclips, aka Macaroni with the Cheese. Every day I make video about crypto and stocks. So if you like these subjects, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and I will see you in the next video. With that being said, I got a brand new video for you today. Let's get it started. As of the Bitcoin price today is 32,313. First of all, I used to make these videos in Dutch, but I planned to do them in English. So bear with me if my English is not very good. So I do try to figure out where I can give y'all the knowledge. So bear with me into this video. So as of the Bitcoin price, 32,332, and we pretty much been in a downtrend since the 19th of May 19th, and it pretty much went in a downtrend, and we're pretty much hovering to the price of 40,028.8. and in the last week, maybe last 2 weeks since 22 of June, we're pretty much bouncing to the price of 35,031. So we do see that Bitcoin is in a downtrend. And basically, there are some few things that made this price action happen. And one of those things is that the Grayscale. In my previous video, I told you that Grayscale has a period of unlocking. And they pretty much started unlocking on the 13th of July, as you can see. And yeah, it's pretty significant that the Bitcoin price went down. I do think that these big investors are shorting on Bitcoin. That's how they can manipulate the price. So they started on the 13th July. We do have a big one unlock date on the 18th of July. That is Sunday. Right about 16,000 Bitcoins we're gonna get unlocked. So the question is if it's gonna have some price action because of this activity. I do think so, but I think that the big players are shorting. So we do have this big hurdle ahead of us on the 18th of July. So as of the price of today, and let me put this good, because these are the price market cap at this moment. I will put it on the performance. So as you can see there, we still in a downtrend. This is the day chart on crypto bubbles. And we see the Atom is 12% minus. Rune 6% discount, SNX 12% discount. So but overall the prices were much lower than this. So we do see that I'm put this in dollars. Cake $13 and Matic $91. We do have to ask ourselves, is Matic still strong? Since Ethereum is gonna upgrade to the 2.0, but I've pretty much been told that the upgrade to 2.0 will take at least maybe 3 to 4 years. So that's still a big hurdle on the way. But for now, the price, we're still in a downtrend as for Bitcoin. So I suggest people to buy. Not only buy at the high prices at 64,000. These are good moments to buy Bitcoin. So I will also suggest to look on some small coins, some altcoins, pretty much the Ethereums, the Polkadots, Bitcoin. And pretty much these are good moments to buy. It's good when people are selling, you buy, and when people are buying, you sell. So my next subject is inflation. We all know that the inflation rates is getting higher and higher. Because, you know, Joe Biden and the whole Federal Reserve, they're basically giving up free money, flooding up free money in the bank. Yeah, free money for everyone. Let's go. Yeah, free money. So that is a big reason why the inflation is going higher and higher. We pretty much can expect a good inflation rate between the 5, maybe 10%. So I have a video for y'all. It's telling us that the overall inflation rate is getting higher. It rises up to 5.4% since 2008. As you can see right here, consumer prices increased 5.4 in June from a year early. The biggest monthly gain since 2008, since the crisis. Including food and energy, inflation increased 4.5, the largest move since September 91 used car and truck prices compares about 1/3 of the total CPI increase. And I do have a video for y'all, so bear with me.
And as Becky pointed out, things like commodities have really reversed, and the numbers are in, and they're much hotter. Up 0.9% for headlines. Strip out the all-important food and energy, still up 0.9. And if we look at year-over-year CPI, which has the base effect, we know it's going to be a bit higher because of depressed COVID levels a year ago, zooming up to 5.4%. And if we look at ex-food and energy year-over-year, up 4.5%. All these numbers are hotter than expectations. All these numbers are hotter than what's in the rearview mirror. And we continue, of course, to point out certain things. Yes, there are going to be bottlenecks that are going to reverse. There's going to be supply chain issues and commodity spikes. They're going to reverse. But are there things that may not reverse, or it's too early to tell? I certainly think so. And I think one of them, we put in our gas tank every other day. We have air conditioning on, energy prices. 48% of small businesses, Becky, have raised prices in May. That's the highest, largest percentage in 40 years. And we all know green and climate change. There is a bit of a war on fossil fuels. There will be a price for that. Might be a moral thing to do in many people's minds, but trust me, when it's 100 degrees or you need to charge your EV in certain states, it's going to be an issue. Sticky energy prices, also services, and what's the most important aspect of any business, the best asset they have? The ones that go up and down the elevators every day. And I personally think, I don't know, I think when prices start to go up for wages, I think they're going to be a bit sticky. I wouldn't look for the Fed to normalize, but I think certain higher prices will not only normalize, they'll become part of the fabric of the economy. But that's just my opinion. Becky, back to you.
Hey, Rick, we looked at the 10-year right before we got these numbers.
Yeah, so pretty much it's all going up. As he said, all overall 5.5. The food 2.4. Energy 24.5. Overall, it's just getting higher and higher. Joe Biden with the stimulus checks getting free money. Free money. It's all free. Free money. More visuals. Since 1928, we had a big amount of food for our $20. In 1996, it was less. In 2017, it went lesser than that. So when the money is inflating, the Bitcoin is deflationary. So in 2011, you pretty much couldn't buy a lot of things with Bitcoin. But in 2013, it's getting better and better. 2017, it's getting more better. And now 2022, 21, we up in this. So pretty much you can make a choice for your own for this. So one thing I do want to share with you guys is the AMC stock. So the AMC stock went down yesterday 7%. It's now 39. The big players, the hedge funds, are pretty much having these ladder attacks, so-called ladder attacks, how to manipulate the price because they're still not covered yet. So they're pretty much trying everything to manipulate those prices. It went all to $39 for a share. So I pretty much think they will try to put it more down to $30. And I'm still wondering at what price they're trying to cover their shorts because it's still not covered, their position. As of GameStop, same. GameStop went down to up to 4%, 4.8 to be specific, and it's 180 a share. So these stocks are pretty much not shorted. And GameStop went in a short squeeze in January. It had an all-time high until maybe $250. So it basically expands and now consolidating. It expands here for the second time, consolidate the third time. So it's basically consolidating. So that's pretty much what I wanted to give y'all for this video. And last but not least, follow me on my Twitter. My Twitter is Joopvdclips. My Instagram is macaroni with the cheese. I do share some knowledge on my socials. I also have a Discord group. You can find that in the subscription if you want to get some more information, how to get more knowledge on these subjects, crypto and stocks. With that being said, I hope y'all like this video, and I'll see y'all to the next one. Free money, free money, free money, free money.